Imagine the Sunshine State, Florida, a place known for its golden beaches, vibrant nightlife, and endless opportunities for adventure. But today, we take you on a journey not to the Florida you know, but to a state ravaged by nature's fury. Last night, Hurricane Milton unleashed its wrath, leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. The stunning coastlines and serene landscapes were transformed into scenes of destruction. From soaring winds that uprooted trees to torrential floods that submerged entire cities, Florida now faces one of its most challenging moments. In this video, we'll explore the aftermath of Hurricane Milton, the financial toll, the emotional stories of survival, and the monumental task of rebuilding this beloved travel destination. Whether you're planning your next trip to Florida or simply want to understand the raw power of nature, this journey will show you both the fragile beauty and resilience of the state. Buckle up as we delve into the storm that changed Florida forever. Florida, always known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and as a paradise for tourists, now presents a drastically different picture. Hurricane Milton hit the coastal areas of Florida last night, turning this beautiful state into a disaster zone. With winds reaching 120 miles per hour, the storm engulfed entire cities, and the heavy rains triggered severe flooding. Florida, which hosts millions of tourists every year, now suffers from severe financial and human losses. Its major tourist attractions have been badly damaged, and government rescue efforts are ongoing. This moment serves as a warning to tourists. Before you enjoy Florida's beauty, consider the destruction it has suffered. As Hurricane Milton made landfall in southwestern Florida, its intensity surged dramatically. 12-foot-high waves swallowed coastal areas, submerging many beachfront houses and stores underwater. The power grid is down and millions of residents are without electricity. Many neighborhoods are entirely submerged, leaving both locals and tourists in dire straits. Roads are destroyed, and the collapse of bridges has made delivering supplies even harder. Florida's situation highlights how natural disasters not only affect the environment but can significantly disrupt human lives as well. According to government estimates, Hurricane Milton has caused financial damage exceeding $10 billion. Hotels, restaurants, and tourist centers, which were the backbone of Florida's economy, now lie in ruins. These places, which once attracted millions of visitors annually, might take months to recover. Tourism is a vital part of Florida's economy, and this hurricane has dealt a significant blow. Florida's coastline, once one of the most famous tourist destinations globally, is now submerged, and rebuilding these areas will be a massive challenge. So far, 15 deaths have been confirmed due to the storm, with many still missing. Rescue operations continue as authorities work to relocate people to safer areas. Many homes have been destroyed, forcing people to take shelter in temporary facilities. The aftermath is devastating, with people fleeing their homes and rescue teams working tirelessly to save as many lives as possible. The future of tourism in Florida remains uncertain. Hurricane Milton has severely impacted the coastal regions, and the tourism sector faces immense challenges. While Florida has weathered many storms in the past, the destruction this time around is far greater. Tourism experts suggest that it may take at least a year for Florida's tourism industry to fully recover, and substantial financial aid will be required to restore major attractions. The hurricane has had a profound impact on Florida's economy. Flooding has caused a sharp decline in agricultural production, and farmers have suffered significant losses. Many fields are underwater and crops have been destroyed. The agricultural sector, which is crucial to Florida's economy, is now facing dire straits. The risk of food shortages has increased, and it may take months to recover agricultural production. Additionally, businesses have suffered, which has caused a major shock to Florida's overall economy. The government and aid organizations are working swiftly to aid Florida's recovery. The National Guard, Red Cross, and other organizations are helping relocate residents to safety while assisting in recovery efforts. Florida's state government has declared a state of emergency, and the federal government has announced a relief package. The greatest challenge will be restoring roads, bridges, and power grids to bring life back to normal. Hurricane Milton has also severely impacted Florida's ecosystem. Marine life and forests have suffered, and coastal erosion threatens the survival of many sea creatures. Forested areas which were home to rare species are now devastated. This storm is yet another reminder of the increasing severity of climate change, and experts warn that such storms could become more frequent in the future. If you are considering traveling to Florida, it's essential to understand the risks associated with visiting a region affected by natural disasters. Tourists should heed the travel advisories issued by the Florida government and gather all relevant information before making plans. It's also crucial to choose areas that are safe and where restoration efforts have been completed. Florida is a captivating travel destination, and we hope this state will stand strong once again. Although recovery will take time, the people of Florida are resilient and determined. Once restored, Florida will become a memorable destination for tourists once again,